Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got myself a Honcho Wholesale box of women's plus size apparel that we'll be unboxing. Don't forget, if you want to buy something from Honcho Wholesale, I get a $15 off coupon that they gave just my viewers. You just use the promo code HOOKED, HOOKED, and you get 15 bucks off your purchase from Honcho Wholesale. Follow the link down in the description below if you want to go there and buy something. But this is a women's plus size apparel box. We're going to jump right into it. I'll give you all the specifications. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so this is a women's Honcho Wholesale plus size apparel box. 25 items in this box. They are shelf pulls. $157.75 was the cost of the box. $30 to ship it. All in at $187.75. $7.50 per item approximately. So don't forget, this is spring and summer apparel. So I'm really excited. There's some new things I'm thinking about as far as selling something. So if you have something in this box that you really want, you can get it right away. We're going to be doing a fun live warehouse fire sale on Friday. So Friday at noon Central Standard Time, you will see us this week doing a live fire sale where you get to purchase the item right there in front of you. So watch these things where we will be doing a second listing video where we're going to go through and tell you how much we're going to make on each one of these items and what we're going to potentially price them. Now that may change after some research, but most likely that'll be the price. So let's go ahead and look and see what we got. All right, we have got this pair of, I thought it was like, oh man, look at the paint splatter, but nope. It's supposed to be like that. So these are a pair of plus-size capris, novelty denim 22 women's tummy control. These are really cute. Look at the fun bottoms on them. Those are awesome. Original retail price is $90 on these. INC, tummy control.
Does it look like a Macy's brand, kind of?
Yeah, kind of a Macy's brand. Yep. I know we've gotten some of those. Okay, this is, looks like a skirt. Yep. A drawstring skirt. Let me find the size real fast. 2X Style & Company drawstring skirt. Kind of a peasant style there. And it's got fun drawstrings with little silver beads on the ends of the drawstrings. Looks very comfortable. And the cool thing is it's double lined. So no need to wear an extra slip or skirt underneath it. You won't be able to see through it.
What size did you say that was again?
This is a 2X. 2X paisley style blue skirt. Then we have a size 3X comfort waist denim capri pants with a little cargo pocket on one side. See the cargo pocket there? Original retail price, $46.50. So those are nice. Karen Scott, women's 3X. Those are nice. See?
What do you think about the sizes?
I love, love, love the sizes. These are supposed to be plus sizes. I thought it was going to be like extra large and 1X, but the fact that they're 2X, 22s, 3X, these are going to sell so fast. So fast. So it's really hard to find these sizes on any of the online websites like Poshmark and Mercari and things like that. All right, here is a pair of shorts, 24W, pair of really nice khaki shorts. They're not too short, but they're not the long Bermuda length. So these are Style & Company, size 24W. Original retail price is $53. Neat little button on it, too. So those are neat. All workable pockets. We were talking the other day about see these jeans? No workable pockets. It's ridiculous. So the only pockets that work in these pants are the back ones. So all right, then we've got a pair of a skirt. A really nice, comfy skirt. So it's a skirt. No, it's shorts. No, it's a skirt. No, it's shorts. Okay, sorry. I'll calm down. Regular pockets in here. Really nice flat pockets. 18W is the size. Original retail price is $47. Karen Scott, 18W. Really nice navy blue. And with back pockets on the back. Really nice stretchable waist too. The elastic waist is it's like a comfort band on it. Then we have a comfort waist 2X pair of black dress pants. Karen Scott women, elastic waist, straight leg dress pants. These original retail price is $45. Let me see. Ooh, kind of a jacket. Yeah, kind of a hoodie. Okay, let me just lay this flat so you can see. So this is a Karen Scott 1X hooded white jacket with a cute front pocket on it. It's called a Karen Scott Sport Plus is what it's called. It's a 1X Sport, so it's really kind of that lightweight spring jacket hoodie feel, but not quite as heavy as a regular sweatshirt. Original retail price is $55. Really nice one. Then we've got a khaki pair of capris. This is a 20W mid-rise comfort waist pair of capris. Original retail price is $35. 20W is the size, in perfect condition with the tags on it. Little cargo ones, and they've got little drawstrings at the bottom. I love that I have capris because this is the perfect time of the year to be selling them on my Poshmark store. So the plan is to be able to put these for sale at my fire sale on Friday. This is a lightweight sweater, and then anything that doesn't sell will go onto my Poshmark store. So if you're not able to make it Friday, this is a 3X kind of woven look, braided woven look on the sweater. 3X Styling Company, original retail price is $57. Really nice lightweight. So even though it's long sleeve, this would be a perfect kind of fall style.
Well, here it's still 60 degrees.
So. Yeah. Okay, I thought there was a stain on it. It's a random piece of something in there. I was like, oh no, there's a stain on it. Nope, there was just something. It's a random piece of fabric in there. All right, so that's a long sleeve, but still perfect for weather right now. All right, then we have a New York Collection Petite Plus. So this is a petite pair of pants. Oh my goodness, those look so flowy and comfy. I'm going to lay them flat. Sorry. There we go, like this. Stretch waist. They are a black size 3X petite. So the original retail price, $44. Super thin, super flowy. If you're looking for some comfy pants that also look nice and dressy, these would be what you want. So they're definitely like dress pants, but they're so lightweight and airy. So, alrighty, let's see what else we got. Ooh, this is a fun pattern. This is a Alfani 2X. Is it a button-up? No, it's just a blouse. Okay, it's kind of hard to see because this is kind of a crazy pattern going on, but there is a pocket here. Just a little front pocket for design. It is not a button-up. It's just a plain V-neck, but it's got kind of this stitching where it's a little bit bloused in the front, so I think it'd be very flattering. Short sleeves on it. Let me hold it up again. It's kind of a little bit easier to see what it's supposed to look like this way. And then the back has the pattern across it too. It's a very, very cute shirt.
What was the size again?
It's a 2X, and it's got that high front, low back on it. So if you want a shirt to cover your bum, here you go. I don't know why I have to go into like a British accent to say the word bum, but you do. It's like, you know, automatic. All right, then all my international viewers are like, don't do that again. Just don't do that again. All right, here's a comfort waist 2X Karen Scott plus size. $36.50 was the original retail price. Just a really comfortable pair of black cotton shorts with an 8-inch inseam. So it does have a little bit of a longer inseam for those of you who like a little bit longer short. Then we've got a blue. This is a blue skort. So a blue skort, is it the same brand? It is a Karen Scott, yes, 20W. Looks like the original retail price was $46, and it's a Karen Scott pair of skirts. Basically almost identical to the black ones, only this has 2 buttons, a couple different details here, but they look pretty close to the same style. The pair of short skirts, back pockets and everything. So, wait. The other ones were blue. I'm sorry. The other pair were blue. I thought they were black, but they were blue. So we have two navy blue skirts. All right, here is a pair of dress pants, Comfort Waist, Karen Scott. I think they're almost identical to the other pair I pulled out. These are a 3X, $44.50. And just a really comfy pair of dress pants. Nice kind of suit material type dress pants. Polyester, probably. All right, I'll have to look for sure. Okay, what is this? This looks like a dress. It is. It is a New York collection dress, a V-neck dress with a cute cinched waist on it. New York collection women. Let me see what size it is. This is a size 1X, black in color. Original retail price is $70. Ooh, look at the fun sleeves on that. Kind of cinched little 3/4 elbow length sleeves. So that would be very flattering. But that's a cute dress. I love selling dresses. They always sell really well. And that's a nice lightweight one. Perfect for summer. All right, here is an 18W for the brave woman in you. 18W capri mid-rise comfort waist capris, straight leg capris it looks like. They taper a little bit at the bottom. They have those fake pockets we were talking about and real pockets on the back. Similar to the pants I'm wearing right now. 18W Styling Company, stretch waist, look. So that's going to be super comfortable. Won't have that goofy gap in the back. You ladies know what I'm talking about. What is this? Is this a dress? Okay, it's a 3X wide leg. It's got a tie on it. Hold on. There we go. All right. 3X wide leg, regular length. $79.50 is a regular retail price on these cute pair of pants. Fun design, super fun design. So kind of an elastic back, but straight leg, really fun pants.
What'd you say the size again?
That was a 3X. Here is a pair of shorts, a 24W, comes with a belt. I think I actually stole a pair of shorts like this in my size out of another box. $52.50, Style & Company. They're very, very comfortable. Size 24W. And here's the back. So just regular length shorts. All right, so we've got lots of navy blue, but that's always a good standard color to have in your wardrobe. Here is a polka dot. Let's see, a polka dot 16W tummy control pair of capris with cute silver buttons on it. It's a woven capri. Original retail price $46.50, and it's got an elastic stretch waist back here for super comfort, and that is again a 16W. And it has even the buttons on the bottom here. Cute little 3 little buttons on the bottom of the leg.
What does the W mean?
16 women's. As opposed to regular. So it's the plus size. The W, women's. All right. Here is another pair of blue shorts. No, wait, it's a skirt. It's identical to the other one. Let's see if it's a different size. 18W. I think it's a little bit of a smaller size than the other one we had. We have an 18W in that skirt, and then we also have a 20W in that skirt, and then this exact same style, another 18W. So we have 2 of the 18W in this exact one. 2 18s and 1 20 of this style. So that'll make for easy listing, having that multiple. All right, let's see what this is. Getting to the bottom of the box. Oh, look at, trying to figure out how this goes. Okay, this is a 4X Elfani women's top. Really cute ruffled sleeve. Boy, that's a vibrant blue, isn't it? Original retail price is $75 on this shirt. And it's in perfect condition. Look at that. I like that shirt a lot. I'm a blue fan, though. I like blue. All right, here is another pair of those fun capris. These are 20W, the ones that look like they had paint splatter on them, but did that on purpose. These are an International Concepts 20 tummy control plus size. Original retail price $90. So
what was the other one size?
Okay, this one is a 20W. Let me check the other ones. Those were a 22W. So we have a 20 and a 22 in this exact style. Let me see, we've just got a couple more things. I think three more things in here. Okay, this is a 1X, original retail price $135. Looks like a dress to me. If I can find out, maybe not a dress. It is not. It is a skirt. A 1X kind of Ralph Lauren women's original retail price $135. This looks like a skirt that you just want to put on your waist and spin in circles because it's going to ruffle and flow and be very comfortable. It looks like it's lined on the inside, so let's look just to see. It's just one layer, but it's not a see-through. It's a nice cotton, comfortable material, breathable. This would be a fun walk around in the summertime, just be comfortable wearing it. A Ralph Lauren. And this is a 1X skirt. We got a couple of cute skirts in there. Perfect summertime ones. All right. One more item in the box after this. Oh my goodness. I love the bottom of these pants. Look at these pants. They're capris, actually. They are a size 22W slim leg, white pair, kind of white, creamish. Well, no, those are white. But I love the lace kind of crocheted look at the bottom. It's got kind of the dress pant pockets on it. They're called Pop Art Slim Leg 22W Tummy Control. They're called ankle pants. So maybe they are, but they're not capris. I think they're ankle pants. 22W. Original retail price, $85. One more item in the box. And it's purple. Purple and blue. It's a cute little skirt. I don't think this is plus size. Let me look and see what this is. Oh. It's a Michael Kors. That's why. It's a Michael Kors original retail price, $94. See? It's a size small. So that's a hidden gem. So it looks like it's a mini skirt. Wouldn't you say that? Yeah, it's probably a little mini skirt, size small. Purple and navy blue mini skirt, Michael Kors. So awesome. So that's awesome. The 25 items in this box. Remember, this is a Honcho Wholesale women's plus size summer and spring apparel. Definitely awesome sizes in it. Remember, each item was about $7.50 per item, 25 units in this box. Remember, I have a $15 off coupon. All you have to do is type in hooked when you order from Honcho Wholesale. The link is down in the description below. I was all in, paid $187.75 after shipping for this box. So if you want a box like this, go check it out at Honcho Wholesale. Of course, watch my listing video, find out what we're going to price these items for and how much we expect to make, and will we make back our money that we would have spent on this box. So hopefully it's been fun to see this Honcho Wholesale unboxing, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, if you want to buy any items really fast, check out my Friday fire sale that I'll be having at noon Central Standard Time. If you don't want to take your time and buy some items and have a fun mystery, go ahead and go to hookedonpickin.com and you can buy your own women's clothing box that I sell 5 items for $14.99 only. So you can have your own mystery box, have fun unboxing it, and everything will be in your size. You get to choose the size. So check out Hooked on Pickin for lots of other things. I've got home boxes, I've got toy boxes, and many other things.